What is this? Kabayang buntis, what is that? Shrek na bundat. A woman in the Philippines spent years praying to a Buddha statue until a friend told her it was actually Shrek. So tayo naman dito ay nirespeto natin ang freedom of religion. Pero hindi nga yan si Buddha. Chan ni Buddha, but it's actually Shrek. Bakit naman hindi mo muna tinitigan maigi? Bakit mo sinamba mo yan? Ba't ka nananalangin dyan? Baka naglalagay ka pa ng mga insenso dyan kay Shrek. Why? Shrek can't give you blessing. Shrek can't give you guidance. Kung ikaw ay Buddhist, nalangin ka lang kay Buddha at madalas si Buddha ay gold. At yung mukha, tingnan mo naman, wala namang antena si Buddha. Walang antena. But yung chan, the resemblance is quite there. Anyway, pagsisiyan mo ang mga kasalanan mo at hanapin mo ang iyong kapanatagan kay Buddha. God bless you.